So at Pella, we're well known for our quality product. We're well known for building windows and doors. What many people don't know about Pella is the technical jobs that we have, the custom equipment that we're building, the automation that we're building, and we are striving to be the technical employer of choice in our areas. So when skilled technicians are looking for new jobs, they think Pella.
In Pella, I'm a robotics programmer. I program machines to make windows and doors.
I sharpen and troubleshoot dies to keep them running, to get good quality out for the customers and keep them satisfied.
I'm a machinist at Pella Corporation. We take raw material and make components for equipment to build the windows.
We've got many examples where team members have come in with a great set of skills, some education, and with the training and development opportunities we provide, they've grown into significant roles within the organization.
Through a development pool that Pella offered and progressions, I was offered an opportunity to be a machinist.
They recognize what I'm capable of and like to challenge me to do a little bit more. So they put me into technical roles and develop me so that I can learn and get the skills needed to be the best I can be.
We're striving to always be on the top side of new equipment, new investments in equipment.
So at Pella, we have very competitive wages, but we don't stop there. We stack onto that an annual bonus program and then an extremely attractive profit sharing program that helps build into the team members' retirement.
Every day, usually there's something different, so I'm not doing anything repetitive.
At Pella, caring is at the center of our culture. There's a lot of caring between our team members, and that comes through even in the collaboration that we do within our technical trades team.
My role here isn't just a one-person role. It involves designers, it involves engineers, it involves vendors. We have to collaborate all of that together to put out a good piece of equipment, a good product.
So the product we're providing for our end customers, we take a tremendous amount of pride in. But much of that starts with the equipment that we're building that product on, and that equipment is built by our skilled technicians. Our robotics technicians, our machine builders, our machinists, our electricians, they all are a key part of that foundation that ensures the quality makes it out to our customers.
My name is Tiffany.
Arthur Buchenko.
My name is Greg Johnson.
I'm Curtis Webb.
At Pella, we do the work we're most proud of.